Veken Adhesive Shower Caddy 6-pack, a durable and stylish solution for organizing your bathroom, home, or kitchen. These large, wall-mounted shower shelves are designed to hold heavy items securely, providing ample storage for all your essentials. The set includes versatile racks along with a soap dish and toothbrush holder, keeping everything you need within easy reach. The strong adhesive backing ensures a reliable, drill-free installation, making it perfect for renters or those. Introducing the Ninestars DZT-12-5PK Automatic Touchless Infrared Motion Sensor Trash Can, a modern and hygienic solution for waste disposal in your bedroom or bathroom. This 3-gallon trash can is equipped with a sensitive infrared motion sensor that opens the lid automatically, allowing for touchless operation and reducing the spread of germs. Made from durable ABS plastic, it combines functionality with a stylish design, featuring a sleek rectangular shape and a soft pink finish that adds a puff. Introducing the matte black bathroom accessories set, a sleek and stylish addition to any modern bathroom. This 4-piece glass set includes everything you need to keep your bathroom essentials organized and within easy reach. The set features a soap dispenser, a toothbrush holder, a Q-tip holder, and an all-in-one bathroom sink set that combines functionality with contemporary design. The matte black finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, perfectly complementing a variety of bathroom. Introducing the BROOKSTONE Trending Black Toilet Paper Holder, a sleek and freestanding solution designed to enhance your bathroom's functionality and style. This modern and minimalistic toilet paper holder is crafted to hold mega rolls, ensuring you always have plenty of tissue at hand. Its freestanding design allows for easy placement anywhere in your bathroom, eliminating the need for wall installation. The sturdy base provides stability, while the elegant black finish adds a contemporary too. Introducing the upsimples 4-pack acrylic shelves, a versatile and stylish storage solution for any room in your home. These 15-inch floating shelves are perfect for displaying books, toys, and decor in kids' rooms, or organizing essentials in bathrooms, bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens. Made from clear, durable acrylic, these shelves blend seamlessly with any decor, providing a modern and minimalist look while maximizing wall space. The easy-to-install design ensures that you can quickly